On the morning of October 16, 2023, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, along with officials from the Public Works Department and the Public Health Engineering Department, conducted an inspection of Umpling Locality in preparation for the Youth Synod scheduled for March 2024. They were joined by deacons, elders and church leaders from the Umpling Presbyterian Church, which will be hosting the Youth Synod next year. The inspection focused on assessing the condition of streets, lanes and bylanes and water sources in the area to ensure they are suitable for hosting one of the largest gatherings of youth from the Meghalaya Presbyterian Synod. A deacon from the Umpling Presbyterian Church informed the media that the inspection aimed to evaluate the need for repairs to important infrastructure like streets, lanes and water supply storage as part of the preparations for the upcoming Youth Synod to be held at the Umpling Presbyterian Church in Shillong.
Batchaturu development kin don hi bat ka department of 3D PG las dang hi ban le ka kam te ka ne ka step ni kan do ECM bat ni rang ba snong sekretari snong bat gui rang ba na ka liang jong ka 3D PG na ka benta ban ya pai ni kini ki jingya jong ka kam bat ECM ni la ya pai lang bat ni bat ila batai ru sibun ki kam jing dai bat kini ki apli department tengi ngai balung ba kini ki benai ki banwan na marka sinat tan long benai ma te ka jing trai jong ka kam ka ba long kham ka ti tin rei ngai balung ba kini ki department na kini ki desni ki banwan ngai kini ki department ki la ka ban tindap kini ki kam ki kam.
Following the inspection, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, expressed to reporters that the developmental activities planned for the Umpling locality in preparation for this significant youth event under the Meghalaya Presbyterian Synod will bring benefits to the residents of the area.
Kajing tumu jong ni kajing kenduk kajongi akan kasih kalong akabaide pak kajing penkre ia kajing Sing Synod pedeng kapan long hau benai march hau senem ada sa te kumbangi la ban sutu baka jinseng kala jan ban kumbalong menta le siki kam ki badan kam haban wan nakalang dengi ban jurip kalong be hakabaide baki nanti kesekian ki surok nang ta ka umbam undi bat kiwe te kuman pen mau ngila penkre ekonika jing pentrei ye babun ki kam development hang ni pos nong Umpling kam da dei dang menta nadu kapor ba ngadang long kum MLA jong ni kathai batru la yo ban penrung bun liki schemes bat la yo sanction ru nadu menchim snam hau banai November ar hajar ar but habaide kini ki sanction ka bakan trup ya ka scheme ka JJM kapa yo jan kumba laiku nyo crore nang ta hakabaide ba ka scheme surok pat kapa lapat syak jan real crore nakamta ka widening but strengthening jongkiliki existing PWD roads but road dan kiniki batang pemai ditunjuk te ngiyo banwan mentasni ban jurip ban pej but sultanat kalong ba kini ki ongoing scheme kiba nakaliang ka PWD kaba layo na du kapor jungi nadu kapor ba ngalong MLA ringkat jing trelang ba kaliang snong lai i menta kalaya syak kam kajing penhe ye ki surok kajing tre ye ki kenro kini ki kenro ban penyar kajing tre kinala kiwe kala nang ya chikmat te bat kumju ru ni yo ban yekren nam ta kenika proposal ke badang kemai ke bayi de ba kenika Synod te bat kumbala ban suku ba ke proposal ke estimate ke belajar bande kalong arkur lai saulang te bat kumbalong benta bat yo sanction te ndaka jingi kendu jungi benta kesngi la sutu bangi habban state ini kakam but nakal yang jungi ru ngin kit khia ba da kumno ban yo sanction no ye kenika proposal ka estimate ke bangsa ke batmai menta abai de kenika Khadc synod